Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. The trip officially begins. It is 7:37 p.m. Tuesday night. I'm not gonna say what day it is. It's mid-May. You just need to know it's mid-May. And the mileage on the vehicle, we're starting with 52,245 kilometers. So we're gonna see what we come back with. Woohoo!
Morning, buddy. Good morning, beautiful people. So we are in Gatineau. That's where we slept. We slept here before. I think when we first got the van. So we sort of knew about this spot. We got one camper van all the way there in the back. Nobody else. It's a great spot, quiet. But it's chilly, 1 degree, believe it or not. So today is day 2 of travel. Our goal today is to reach North Bay. So we made it to Ottawa. I think we're about an hour away from North Bay. Quick stop, Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons, we're gonna see them a lot in this trip. A little bit cheaper, but in North Bay, there's a section that's the reserve. And fuel is much cheaper. So we're about half a tank, and we're definitely gonna fill up there. First donut of this trip. Tim's. Don't remember last time I had a donut. I think it was on a cruise ship. Cheers. Good morning, guys. Day 2, 7:48. We just left our friend's house, North Bay. North Bay was great. It's always good to see friends that we haven't seen in a long time. Now, we got some road to do. Where we stop, no idea. Oh yeah, a few. So we have a little bit of gray water, and we know that there's a dumping station near this highway, so it's not too much of a detour. We're talking minutes. We use iOverlander, I'm sure everyone is familiar with. If you're not, definitely an app that needs to be on your phone. So let me show you how it works. That's where we are, the little dot. You go filters. You select dumping station, remove everything else because you don't want to clutter your screen. Go back to map, and you'll see it right there. Hit it, info. You will see here at the bottom copy coordinates or Google Maps. I will copy coordinates, copied, okay. Go to my Google Maps, paste, search, directions. So 7 minutes, really nearby. That's how it's done. Made it to Blind River. Beautiful, beautiful road. I'm enjoying crossing Canada so far. Getting lunch. It's 12 o'clock. Still have to fuel down to half a tank. Fueling up now. It's only 12 o'clock. We fueled up this morning. It was $100 and something. Normally we do about 2 fills a day, so about $200 of fuel per day. Burgundy's on the oaks. Greasy every Sunday morning. Maplewood in the smoke. Like a spirit, we feel it. It's taking us under. Any fire will stoke. Find the answers that had their meaning. Windy was like the roads.
We're making our way slowly but surely. I couldn't even tell you how many times I've done this drive cross country. It's many. And this is such an iconic stop along the road. You see this goose from the highway in Wawa. And I figured we would stop and take a little picture because I'm quite fond of it. Now, a lot of people in the reviews say, yeah, not much to see here. It's just so iconically Wawa. It's like, okay, it's like you're here. Now next stop, you know what I mean? It's kind of like you're marking, okay, this section of the road is done, on to the next one. Hey, you made it to the goose.
Made it to the goose. Hey, goose. Half a tank, gone. Time to fuel up. We just stopped to see the big bird there. The funny thing is, there's another one right there. And another one right over there. There's like 2 back to back. Funny. A minute down. Lay back afternoon chills. Eastside guys getting lost in stories. Some big watches and stills. It's for freedom, a kingdom so weightless and tandem. Chasing it at our own pace. Cast the cat, it will be okay. Give and take, never hesitate. One by one, we keep on coming. Walk with me, talk with me. 7 o'clock on the dot. We're done, I think.
For today.
So we are in Marathon. There's swimming pools in here. $6 or $7 each to get inside, but we're gonna try to go get a free shower. See if it works. If it's not, well, we'll just pay the $6. Anyway.
Free shower.
Huh?
It won't be a free shower. It'll be like $6.
Yeah, but we're gonna ask.
Good morning, beautiful people. We woke up behind a Canadian Tire, sorry for my hair, in a tiny little town called Marathon. Now, there's something uniquely Canadian about these small towns. And that unique thing is people are just not only just so nice, most of these towns are so safe. I would have no problem leaving the van doors open and not feeling at all insecure about someone coming to bother us or try and break into the van. And I don't know, it's refreshing. It's really nice. We haven't traveled in that many places so far that we feel so absolutely safe. It's pretty cool. So the town population is 3,300, and they do have a Canadian Tire, they do have a Pizza Hut, they have one Tim Hortons, and they have this beautiful pool and hockey arena, so a recreation center for the residents, because you know, in a small town you need to have these kinds of activities to keep people occupied and to keep people healthy, of course, right? So we decided we were going to check out the pool because we do know that there's a place nearby where we could pay to shower, but oftentimes these public pools, they'll have a free swim and then you could pay to get in and also use the showers. So Dory said, oh, well, we'll just ask about the showers. We're not going to say that we're going to swim. I'm like, okay. So we went in and I asked how much would it cost just to shower. We just want to use the showers. And she said, okay, well, let me go check. So she asked the manager because she was new. And she says, well, apparently we do this all the time and you're free to go shower. You don't have to pay us anything. It's like, what? In most communities, they would charge you like $6 or $7 per person and that would be fine, right? Because they're doing us a service. But no, it was great. We had a nice warm shower. It was all open, so there weren't any stalls or anything like that, but still, I mean, that was a really, really nice treat. And we got to enjoy the beautiful mural behind me. That's the beautiful mural for the arena that's attached to the pool. So if you have a chance to stop in Marathon, Ontario, definitely do it. The people here are super nice, and they have a brand new Tim Hortons. It's beautiful. They just opened it. Anyway, I'm gonna miss this place. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty Canadian mural. Really love that. That's the pool where we showered. The Tim Hortons is over there. And our van is tucked right back there. And we weren't bothered at all. Another great stop along the way on the Trans-Canada Highway.
It's for freedom, a kingdom, so weightless and tender. Chasing it at our own pace. Cast a cat, it will be okay. Give and take, never hesitate. One by one, we keep on coming. Walk with me, talk with me for a little bit. Let's get into it. Walk with me, hard times, low key, a minute down. Walk with me, talk with me. Walk with me, talk with me. Walk with me, talk with me. For a little, just a little bit.
Welcome to Manitoba. Manitoba welcomes you. We're here! Center of Canada. All right, let's keep moving.
We're done for the day. So happy to be walking, to be, you know, resting. Even the van needs a good rest. She did good today. Sun is setting. Guess where we are? Walmart. That's where we're gonna sleep the night. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock on the nose. And sun is still there. Kind of cool that it's still light. Thanks Walmart for the nice noises. And the kids doing donuts.
And for the food.
They were doing donuts right there, right in front of us. Those...
Yeah, you can see the tire marks, skid marks.
You can chance on me.
Come on.
I sleep free.
Here we are, on the edge of mystery. We long for a life of new discovery. Focus our eyes on the journey, stepping into the unknown, waving goodbye to our worry, and we're ready to go. We're up. We're not ever slowing down. We're up. We're chasing down the dreams we found, over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure is calling, so we run wild and free. Wild and free. Wild and free. Here we go. Dive into the great unknown alone. Has stories waiting to be
Fueling up at 129. Yay!
Haven't seen this price in a long time.
Yeah, I know. I'm happy to be in Alberta. Let me tell ya.
Has stories waiting to be told. The earth is bursting with color. Our hearts are open wide. The stars glow in wonder. We are so alive.
Yeah, we're about an hour away from Calgary, not even. I'm happy to be here. We're closer to Banff, so that's awesome. I'm a little concerned with the smog, right? That's because of the fires, like Mena was saying, so we'll see how it happens. We're gonna end up our first video right here of us traveling through from east to west, and from Alberta on, well, it's gonna be a different side of adventure. So make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, because like this, you're gonna know when we're gonna upload our next video. See you in a bit.